Hi, it's Sarah from You Floral, and I'm going to answer one of the questions that you guys ask me quite a bit, and that is, where do flowers from You Floral come from? So the answer is, of course, it depends. So we try always to work with local small farmers wherever possible because we like supporting the local economy and helping families be able to do what they love in their small business. Of course, it's not always possible to source locally, and so the main reasons that contribute to having to go overseas, which is generally South America, is if a flower is obviously only grown there. So a flower that we frequently get from overseas is something like a protea. Those come actually from South Africa. Another flower that is generally not grown locally is something like baby's breath. So that is almost always exclusively coming from South America. Some flowers that are frequently local are spray mums or mums. Those are grown quite frequently in Chilliwack in British Columbia. The flowers that I have here on the table to show you guys are actually grown from a small town in Victoria, a small farm in Victoria called Boxwood Farms. And I have a couple different flowers here to just show you guys. I've got some status here. I've got scabiosa, dahlias, some sunflowers. I've got cosmos back here. So there's actually quite a variety of flowers that are grown locally at this local farm. And this was actually filmed in the end of October, so these flowers are available quite late in the year. When we start moving into more the fall and winter months, our flowers that are available locally become a lot less available. Some farmers do have greenhouses, so Eurosa Farms is a local rose grower that has a huge greenhouse setup, and so they actually grow roses year-round, and then they're one of our preferred suppliers because they have phenomenal roses. No matter where we get them, whether it's local or overseas, we want to make sure that we're getting you guys the best quality florist-grade blooms, and so that way when you get your flowers delivered to your house, you get the best of the best. So hopefully you enjoyed watching, and let me know if you have questions.